Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to chrome text in Photoshop. First, open Photoshop and create a new document. Choose a dark background color, like a deep blue or black, to make the chrome effect stand out. Next, select the Type tool and enter your text. A bold, sans serif font works best for this effect. Duplicate your text layer immediately and hide the original. This keeps a backup in case you need to revert changes later. Now, let's apply some crucial layer styles. Right-click your duplicated text layer and select Blending options. Start with Bevel and Emboss, setting the style to Inner Bevel and adjusting the depth and size to around 250% and 5 pixels respectively. Next, add a gradient overlay. Choose a metallic gradient, perhaps a silver or gold, ensuring it reflects light realistically. Finally, apply an inner shadow to give the text more dimension and separation from the background. To truly refine the chrome look, we'll add some finishing touches. Create a new curves adjustment layer above your text. Adjust the curve to increase contrast, making the highlights brighter and the shadows deeper, which enhances the metallic sheen. Then, create a new empty layer. Using a soft, white brush, paint subtle reflections on the edges of your text where light would naturally hit. Apply a small Gaussian blur to this reflection layer, perhaps 2 to 3 pixels, for a more natural, diffused effect. For the final touches, group all your text layers together. You can then apply a subtle outer glow to the group, using a light color like white or a very pale blue, to give the chrome text a bit more pop against the dark background. Remember, experimenting with different metallic gradients and bevel and emboss settings can yield unique chrome variations. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.